Questioning if the governance has been handed over to civil society organizations and women of Manipur, 10 opposition political parties of the state demanded the double-engine government to surrender to the public if they are unable to resolve the crisis which has lasted for over 4 months. Addressing media persons at Congress Bhavan on BT Road today, CLP leader and former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi asked if the government thinks people are ignorant to believe that the situation has returned to normalcy in the state, when the apex court of the country has declared that there is no law in Manipur. Stating that maintaining the law and order, protecting human lives and properties is the subject of the state government. The former chief minister asked if the state government has handed over the duty to fight Kuki terrorists to women of the state who have been spending sleepless nights over 4 months. Where have the state machineries gone? Asked Okram Ibobi. The 5-member opposition MLAs currently have no power, and the government has been providing a deaf ear to these opposition MLAs. Isn't it the government's duty to stop open sales of drug and poppy plantations? Asked Okram Ibobi. In this ongoing war against Kuki terrorists, Assam Rifles, who are under the Ministry of Home Affairs Amit Shah, shouldn't be allowed to act partially. The former Chief Minister also questioned what the Unified Command and the Home Minister have done so far to tackle the crisis, which has lasted for more than 4 months.
State government law and order maintain toba life and property protect toba haibase masi akoina opposition haijabanate praja singna hena khangbirabane state subject ni law and order protection of life and property haibase state subject ne aduna state government sina state ki subject ki moi purview ki makha da leibase ngasi bawda tha mari helabse kari tawrino masi akoisu gyan ta de maruoina ima iben singna akoi lan chatli bani or natraga manipur kannana ba chatli bani haibase masi tha mari romda ima iben singna tumdana chadana ahing yarektana tawhali bise masi state government sina kaya yamna kuina tawhun gi dorinwa ba ima iben sing or natraga civil society organization da manipur gi bhar manipur gi lengak pagi se moida pura sinagrab jala moi assam rifle thaba amta leite international boundaries no ina ngakada bani no thammineba ashok luba organization se sina international borders leida ngapasda mapan ya aina yadav sang panataba manipur da leiribas leida impartial oina tawdana partial oina mission naina tawragadi state governments na kari yengaga leibiri banowa machine ba kwaidagi maru oibase adu machi assam rifle na yamna excesses oiba tawham thoktaba mi hatpa or natragana ayam phuba chaida torture tawusidi koi political party tara dagi maruina central gi organization amana madu torba ta the strongest term that koi condemn tawe.
Speaking at the press conference, State Secretary of CPIL Sotin Kumar questioned if the Union Home Minister wants people of Manipur to lose their lives, since he hasn't said a word even after the Kuki terrorists from Myanmar who have entered Manipur illegally, violating all ground rules of the Sioux Agreement.
Assam Rifle ki batakta nasi ki pali belenga si cabinet na yamna condemn tawiga haiba yamna marga wahi khara haiba prajana saudana ba khara tatpat khara taw madun yaro khudakta judicial inquiry tawna bi thabak Assam Rifle si manung da nomai kaptar mi haliba kangbu sing faraga dandi pina bi thabak adu loina kendra ki home ministry ki makha da leiru Assam Rifle se khudakta loktho hanna bagi akan ba pressure state denga ko no wire blor ko pi ga bharot denga na thare balami lising humfu Hanadera Maba Assam Rifles, Moiga Kuki, narco terrorist Kambu single look to Narakanda, Landavi film sanction. Bharot Prime Minister Maxo Equi Mission the Late, Home Ministers of Quick Mission the Late, which is a terrible Ham Marigilan from say the Home Minister Ga, Kuki Lalo Kambuki group singer, Kayarakanu Nagreva, Sutter flight Tarak in the Delhi, the Korkan Paminagre, Shiba Hona Batabaglo, Land Tauna, Adumba Land Tauriba Kambu singer Paminaba. Bharot Sarkar, Bharot ki Home Minister, she took him to talk.